Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I will be talking about how to adjust your auto headlight setting for the Conquest. And also, by the way, I have also applied ceramic coating last night. And I will be doing a review about that. Also, the Ranger has ceramic coating for about a year. And let's get right into it. Okay, so in order to set the sensitivity, I'm going to talk you through the process first. You put the car into ignition on, and then put it into park light, and then turn ignition off again. And then after that, you need to pull back on the stalk, pull back, then switch between the park and the low beam 5 times. And after doing so, the car light would blink 3 times. So that is the default setting for the sensitivity at level 3. And after it blinks 3 times, you can now set it to your desired setting. So to set it, you need to pull it back and then switch it once, 1 to 5, 5 being the most sensitive. Okay, so let's try it. Ignition on, switch to park, ignition off, then pull back on the stalk 5 times, release. There it blinked. Now you can set it, pull back. I'm gonna set it to 1, then it confirms there. And now you have set your desired sensitivity level. Thank you for watching.